With 2025 headed off to a good start, I decided that we need a new video about liquid fertilizers. Join my membership everyone, it goes for $1 per month. Subscribe to the boys YouTube channel, Evergreen Hideout. I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy. Let's get started. Liquid fertilizers are cost-effective and high-performing solution for many growers. Their use can increase yield and produce healthier crops due to guaranteed even spread during an application. Unlike granular fertilizers, liquid fertilizers are typically quick-releasing, meaning they can provide immediate burst of nutrients to crops. Liquid fertilizers refers to any kind of liquid solution that's provided to plants as a form of food. These fertilizers are able to provide plants with the food that they need to survive via a couple of different delivery methods. The nutrients are applied directly to your soil, so it is absorbed more quickly and you'll see a response in your plant. These are some of the organic materials that you can utilize to make your liquid fertilizers at home organically. This fertilizer that you're looking at right now was made from banana peels and mango peels. This is a potassium liquid fertilizer. First things first, you will have to peel your potatoes. Fill them in a container. Make sure that you fill the container with water. Close the lid. Make sure it sits for 3 to 7 days. Each and every day, be sure to gently stir the skins inside of the container. As you can see here, my liquid fertilizer is nearly ripe. So what I'm going to do right now is to stir this liquid fertilizer until the liquid fertilizer dissolves completely. Because of these liquid fertilizers, this is the reason why I have large worms. With what you're looking at right now, I'm trying to illustrate that you can make a liquid fertilizer using any organic material.